Hey, this is Charles, and today I'll be going over creative ways to promote affiliate products in Facebook groups and attract customers. I know a lot of people are struggling to find ways to promote on social media, especially within Facebook. And you're not alone. Many people are facing this challenge, and there are effective strategies that you can use to engage with the community. And that's what Facebook groups are all about. It's about community. And you want to do it in a way, you want to promote your offers in a way that's not extremely blatant. That's probably the biggest problem. But we'll be talking about that and much more. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share a special framework that I personally use for making passive income online. And you'll also learn how to get access to a list of the top Facebook groups in the affiliate marketing space. Who am I? My name is Charles Draven. I'm here in Silicon Valley. I've been building online businesses for well over a decade. I started my journey, I was in a traditional business as a financial consultant, and then I had a kid and wanted more flexibility in my life and wanted more freedom. And then that's when I was looking around, just like probably like you, searching for ways to make money online. And then what I have tapped into is a simple business model, and that's what allows me to make bank online. And I have adapted this over the years, and that's what I cover on the channel called InfoSpike TV. So here are some creative strategies to promote affiliate products using Facebook groups. So this is the most common strategy. You want to be able to find groups where you can share, where it's not just the admin, and the thing is that sharing does not mean trying to fit in your brand name to promote your brand. You want to be able to share valuable content. And um, again, you don't want to post affiliate links directly, especially if you are new to these groups, especially if you're not authorized. And this content should be high quality and, of course, extremely relevant to the group's interest. And you can also post articles, videos, infographics. Those are pictures that have some information on them. They are carefully crafted to provide a lot of information, even infotainment, where some people even put some entertainment within their information. So that will help you seem more natural, like you are contributing to that group. This is actually a big part of this because the other day, somebody left a comment, and this was just more on a Facebook profile post that I created. I share content there, and somebody promoted themselves, not through affiliate links, but they said, "Hi, this is this. I'm this person from this brand, kind of like this website, this company." And even that introduction, it's not something like you're going to a business meeting and handing out business cards. That's not the purpose of this. If people want to look up your business, they could go to your bio. There are different ways to address this issue of promoting yourself, but it's not like that. You don't want to just try to weasel in your domain for your website and introduce yourself that way. It just comes across as spam. So one of the ways to make it seem like you're not a spammer is to build up that relationship. And you do that by engaging in discussions. You actively participate in conversations, and when appropriate, and that is a key point here, when appropriate, you can mention affiliate products in the context of the discussion, but just because you make that recommendation, it doesn't mean you're going to put your affiliate link. There are products that I have promoted that, especially if they're not authorized, I'll mention it. And then that's when people will kind of get curious. And some people will reach out to me and say, I want to buy from your affiliate link. And they actually contact me directly, especially through direct messaging on Facebook. So you have to be very careful. And um, it's okay to discuss these products. But again, you have to do it in a very subtle manner. It cannot be direct unless you're authorized to do so. And another part of offering valuable content is offering help and advice. And when you are doing that, when you're solving other people's problems, you can mention a solution. It builds trust and positions you as a knowledgeable member. But again, it kind of creates that effect where people, if they want to, they could contact you if they want to actually go through your affiliate link. One of the things especially if you're on a third party group, that may or may not be acceptable. You have to actually see how the culture is. It's kind of like going into a different country. You want to go ahead and do as they do. You don't want to just follow your own cultural norms. You got to figure out, are you able to actually post a video that leads to your affiliate link? For example, a lot of my content has a call to action. If I was going to provide valuable content and just put a video, even though it has, like, let's say 98% information in it that then leads to an affiliate link, some some moderators, some group admins, they don't like that because they know that you're trying to provide a video for a subtle promotion. However, in some other groups, that might be okay. So you gotta tread water carefully and look at how the culture is of each group. This is actually a very cool thing that I noticed. I was in one of the earlier AI groups, and this whole topic I'm talking about right now is about creating a resource list. But one of the things that I found was pretty cool was there was a group member that was extremely passionate about the software for creating AI content, and she put together a whole list of all of her custom kind of like frameworks, her kind of like prompts and all that. And it was extremely valuable and it focused on utilizing that software. So the owner of that forum was he was the owner of that software. He's the one who created the software. So he was very happy that there was an active member that was putting together this resource list that had well over 100 tips in it. And she was using Notion. I'm currently using a tool right now called Tascade. It has like a lot of AI functionality built into it, but you could use one of those tools, whether it's Notion or Tascade, to create your resource list. And then through the agreement of the owner of that company, because she was helping out promote, helping and promote this company's software and helping the users use the software more effectively, that group owner slash software creator was extremely appreciative of this person and allowed that person to put an affiliate link on that resource list. So that it's not just building value with all the group members, even providing value and making it noticeable to the creator of that group or a software creator, depends on what type of group you're in, that can help you a lot. And I've seen this time and time again, even when people have courses, even commercial courses where they're promoting that software and the software creator will allow that person to promote that course in their group. So pretty cool stuff here. Run contests for giveaways. This is something that especially if right now it's November the 7th of 2024, and people are thinking about a lot of ideas for the holidays. Like, let's say Black Friday or Christmas, and there can be contests, there could be giveaways. People can call something like a Black Friday giveaway or Cyber Monday giveaway, 12 days until Christmas giveaway or contest. There's so many things that you could do, and you could provide a lot of information, a lot of freebies to whoever wins that contest. And if you think that this costs money, think about this. People in the affiliate space, digital marketing space, they are totally cool with getting digital freebies or giveaways. So whether those are courses, those are videos, there are so many things that you could provide. And along with that, you can push people towards your affiliate links. So that is something that is very, very cool. And there's even more subtle ways to deal with that, different topic. But the whole idea here that I'll just give you as a hint is an idea called pre-selling. So you could incorporate that to do kind of like soft promos within your giveaways. And the big thing here is building relationships throughout this whole thing, building community. You want to build genuine relationships. You don't want to make people feel as if they're just being used just to be part of your funnel and for you to sell them, and that's it. I think that is something in direct response marketing that has worked in the past. It still works today, but I don't think social media groups is the way to work with that type of method. So again, yeah, build relationships, engage with people like you're showing interest. For me, I'll just tell you my, not sure if you call it pet peeve, but people using AI automation. I'm very, very big in AI, but I would say, I don't know, like over 95% of the time, probably more than that, I realize when people are using AI tools to comment, and it's so easy to know that it's AI, and to me, that's not genuine. So again, focus on building genuine relationships. I wish there was a tool that could automate my whole business life for me and do all the work. But until that kind of time arrives, I'll continue to do these human approaches. And I use AI a lot, but when it comes to engaging with people, especially on your primary profile, I would say focus on natural relationship building. I do a lot of experiments. Some people that, especially my customers, know that I do a lot of experiments using other profiles and stuff like that. But again, with your primary profile, focus on building genuine relationships. Use direct messaging if appropriate. So just keep this in mind. Direct messaging can be a touchy thing. Most product, commercial, business owner type of groups, where they're running the show, they really don't like you trying to promote other opportunities, other products, especially competitors' products in their groups. They don't want you to be doing that. There are other groups that are not owned by product owners or course traders and stuff like that. So you got to figure out which place is right. That's why I said if appropriate. And there's nothing wrong with building relationships with people. But if you're just doing like a two-step process, I'm going to join this group, I'm going to friend people, and then I'm going to spam them. That typically is not appropriate. For high ticket programs, I'm in VIP across multiple, and there are kind of like communities in the background where we talk about these things. We talk about, gosh, this guy's like this, and then people will say, oh yeah, that guy's been doing it to my profile too, and we have our conversation amongst ourselves, amongst VIPs, and we try to find a way to get rid of this person, online, I should say, through Facebook or whatever, because it's blatant spam, and nobody really appreciates that. I think the only people that would appreciate that are people that just work 100% in the cold space, and that's cool because I do cold marketing, messaging, and all that stuff. But you got to just respect people's turf, and figure out how you can actually do it in a very respectful way. And next thing here is that, well, with all these strategies, you could do a lot of things. One of the things I wanted to talk about is that some people will think that you have to have your own Facebook group because you could run polls, you could have a lot of things. Some Facebook groups that are public and private by, third parties, they allow you to create polls, but some may not, and some may not like it when you do that. So a lot of these strategies, they're provided, especially if you're not a group admin. So the main thing here is building trust, value and trust. And I know that in any style of marketing, there's going to be the people that are extremely conservative and the people that are extremely aggressive. And where you fall into these, pretty much what I mentioned are like guidelines, depending on how far you are into the aggressive side. Of course, like what you do will change. Um, these guidelines will change for you, and you just have to figure out what is safe for you, especially if you're extremely aggressive on your personal profile. That's something that will put your profile at risk. I'll just say that. So just be very careful. And the free gift that I mentioned early on, a lot of people are trying to find ways to make passive income online. So I just want to tell you about a streamlined system that I use. And all you have to do is go to my first pinned comment and look for something called a passive income framework. Click on the link, look for the passive income framework, and you'll be able to utilize the strategy that I use to make passive income online. There's going to be other things when you click on that link as well. And if you also are curious about how to promote your affiliate offers on Facebook groups and you want to dive into it, there's a list that you can get access to. And there's a link for it also in the first pinned comment. So check it out. And this one is specifically designed for people that are affiliate marketers, especially promoting in this make money online space. So that's all for this whole topic. Want to thank you for watching. You can promote your affiliate products in Facebook groups, but you have to do it in a very effective, strategic way. That's all. Thanks for watching.